Margaret!
Hey guys, good timing.
Margaret, listen. There's something I've been meaning to tell you for a long time.
Sure, but can it wait a sec? There's someone I want you guys to meet. Guys, this is my cousin John. He finally got a new leg today. Check it out.
Not bad, right? No more kneeling on one knee for me anymore.
Cool! Isn't it great?
Margaret screamed so loud when I told her. She was all, yes, yes!
Oh geez, did I really say that?
Oh!
That's great, man. That's really great.
Didn't you have something to say, Morkai?
What? Do you want to see Lebot 2 with me tonight? I've got a pair of tickets.
Tonight? Yeah, sure, I'd love to.
Great, it's a date then. Haha.
Oh hey, what's up, Ciday?
Morkai, what's going on?
What?
Aren't you taking me to that movie?
What? Shoot.
Morkai, what is she talking about?
Wait, hold on.
Oh no.
We can work this out.
What do you mean, work this out?
Wait, Morkai, are you dating this girl?
No. We're just friends. Just friends.
Just friends? How do you say that?
What? But it's true.
I can't believe this! This is so typical! I thought I met a nice guy, but I should have known.
Wait, CJ?
Are you just playing some kind of game? Is this a game to you?
What? No!
How many other girls did you invite to this movie?
I only have 2 tickets.
Okay, I get it. But you should have at least told me there was someone else.
You're right. I should have been honest. Can't we still be friends?
No. I just don't think I can be friends with you right now. Goodbye, Morkai.
Margaret, are you okay?
So, I guess you're a big heartbreaker now, huh?
What? No, it was just a misunderstanding.
No, it's good. It's good that you're dating.
Look, we weren't really dating. Wait, are you jealous?
What?
You are, aren't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's okay if you're a little jealous. Wait, are we still going to the movie?
Find out more on Margaret's Diary, the series. Premiere Saturday morning, January 2nd at 7.